Good morning. My name is Abhishek Sunil Gure. Today's date is 27 March 2024 and today's topic is the magical milestone. So, in this story, this is a story of one poor man and one greedy man. In let we start to start. Let we start. So, in once upon a time in small village, one woodcutter is lives with their wife. They are very poor. They are daily cutting wood and sell that wood to the market, and they survive to selling that woods. Then they are very kind and helpful person. They every time they help to another person. So in one day they came to the forest and the cutting wood, and they again go to the market. That time one uh, old man was asking to the woodcutter, please help me, I am very sick. So that time the woodcutter uh, help to their old man, and uh, they uh, they come they come help to the old man, and they the old man comes with the woodcutter in their home. The uh, uh, woodcutter are caring of their old man. Then after woodcutter and their wife, the caring of that old man, they properly care properly doing all things their old man. Then after some day they are felt good. Then they goes to their work, their then again forest. Then one day the woodcutter was asleep. That time in dream they see their old man like a god of mountains, and they told to the woodcutter, thank you to survive my life. So that time they said to the woodcutter, I am giving you one gift. The gift is very special, so please go to your backyard, then we can see their gift. So that time the in that morning the woodcutter and their wife is going to the backyard, and they see their very big milestone in their backyard. So first thing they were shocked because the milestone was very big. Then they try to start my milestone. So they start the milestone. So that time they see the salt was coming into the milestone, and they was not stopped. So they the woodcutter wife said, we can turn off opposite side and milestone will be stopped. So the milestone will be stopped, and then woodcutter stopped their wood cutting business and produce daily basis salt, and this salt they sell in the market. Then after some days the woodcutter becomes so rich. Then there is one greedy man live their village. So they saw to the woodcutter, they jealous of their the woodcutter, because they in less time the woodcutter was getting rich, so they was very jealous, and the greedy man was said to the woodcutter, sell their milestone milestone sell their milestone. But woodcutter say this is a special gift, so I don't want to sell that. Then the greedy man was told their milestone. Then the greedy man and their wife goes to the one place, to the boat in river. So in middle of river, they start the milestone, and the salt was produced. But the salt was produced, and the full boat, uh, the salt was increased in the boat. So that was the uh, boat was pulled in water. So they both was died for that reason. So this is basically the story of magical milestone. Thank you.